Hi students, today I am going to start that new chapter, that is fractions and decimals. Already in the previous classes we discussed what are the fractions, what are the types of fractions. See, a fraction means that is a part of a group or that is a part of a whole. It means suppose one article is dividing into 4 parts, then each quantity is getting one part, then the fraction of each part is 1 by 4. So the whole parts is 4, then each one is getting one part is, that is see, there are different types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. The next is equivalent fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions. These are the 5 types of fractions. First we have to learn how to identify the parts of a fraction, how to give the name of a fractions. Suppose 2 by 3 is one of the fraction. In this, 2 is called numerator, then 3 is called denominator. 2 is called numerator, then 3 is called denominator. Based on the numerator and denominator, we can say the name of a fractions. First one is proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction? In a fraction, numerator is less than denominator. In a fraction, numerator is less than denominator. That is called a proper fraction. See, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 10 by 11. These are the example for improper fractions. In all the fractions, all the numerators are less than the denominators. So these are the example for proper fractions. Second one is improper fraction. What is the meaning of improper fraction? In the fraction, numerator is greater than denominator, or numerator is equal to denominator, or called improper fraction. N means numerator, D means denominator. In a fraction, numerator is greater than denominator or numerator is equal to denominator, all called improper fraction. See, 5 by 4, 7 by 6, 8 by 7, 11 by 10, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. These all are example for improper fraction. In the first 4 fractions, all the numerators are greater than the denominators. In last 2 fractions, numerator and denominators are equal. So these are the example for improper fractions. The next one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means together of whole number and proper fraction are called mixed fraction. Combined with whole number and proper fraction are called mixed fractions. 1, 2 by 5, 3, 4 by 6, 2, 7 by 8. These are example for mixed fractions. 1 is the whole number and 2 by 5 is the proper fraction. So the combined with proper fraction with the whole number are called mixed fractions. 3 4 by 6, 2 7 by 8, these all are mixed fractions. In case 2 8 by 7 is there, is the mixed fraction or not? 2 8 by 7 is not a mixed fraction because 2 is the whole number, okay, 8 by 7 is the improper fraction. Mixed fraction means that is combined with only proper fraction and whole number. Now how to change that improper fractions to mixed fraction and mixed fractions to improper fraction? Now I am taking that 11 by 10. You know this 11 by 10 is the improper fraction, just we have to change into mixed fraction. Divide the numerator by denominator. Divide the numerator by denominator to convert improper fractions to mixed fraction. 11 is divided by 10. 10 1 is the 10, so 1 is the remainder. So 11 by 10 is equal, quotient is 1, it will become a whole number. The remainder will become a numerator, the divisor will become a denominator. So mixed fraction of 11 by 10 is 1 1 by 10. 1 1 by 10. See, this is the changing of improper fractions to mixed fraction. Now how to change that mixed fractions to improper fraction? Just multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator to the product. That is 10 into 11 plus 1 by 10. 10 into 1 plus 1 by 10. 10 into 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 by 10. So this is the process to converting improper fractions to mixed fraction, then mixed fractions to improper fractions. So these are today's our topics, the three types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Then how to change the mixed fractions to improper fraction, improper fractions to mixed fraction. In the next class we are going to discuss about that like fractions, unlike, and how to write the equivalent fractions